If you lead a service supply chain, you know the pressure never lets up. Every day, you're navigating a storm of chaos and complexity. First-time fix rates are slipping. Customer escalations are piling up. Inventory costs are out of control. No clear visibility into part availability, and service-level demands are rising. Sound familiar? You're not alone. But what if there was a better way to get ahead of these challenges, without all the firefighting, manual processes, and guesswork? Meet BaxterPredict. It's more than just a software platform. It's part of your service experience advantage, purpose-built to simplify, optimize, and transform the way you manage your service supply chain. With total cost optimization, planners get automated recommendations balancing inventory costs with service levels. Automated backorder allocation. Orders are prioritized instantly, reducing escalations and stress. AI-powered service parts planning and order execution. The platform learns from historical data to continuously improve spare part availability. BaxterPredict unifies service parts planning, order execution, and issue resolution into one seamless experience, so you can see ahead and stay ahead. Ready to gain a service experience advantage? Let's get started. Visit us today at baxterplanning.com/platform.